this program, I think we're the first province who completed our si Papel at kita may una this collaborative provincial agricultural fisheries extension program. And before we launched this together with ETI, we were to Ilocos Mongari, mga kita, ba na ito ang mga ipig taga-ETI, ang APO, of course, ang taga-DA ka na. We studied also on other provinces, especially Ilocos Norte, on the Provincial Agricultural and Fisheries Extension Program. Mainam din po kasi Governor Marcos may ilang center no? And we are asking Senator Amy Marcos to give us one as well. So maraming na ito, ipailan na sulat pero so that we'll be able to hear that our center, ng si Papel Center. We all know na primarily our country is an agricultural country, Philippines. And dinagal primarily is, aside from the mineral conservation, we are our number one commodity or number one thing that we have as agriculture. That's why, as the Regional Development Council Chairman of Caraga Region and Governor of Dinagal Islands, we are trying to focus on what we have. Ang ato ang strategy for development is the I2 phase. Manang industrialize, innovate, phase, which is fisheries, letter F, fisheries, letter A is agroforestry, and letter M sa phase is mining, and letter E is ecotourism. We all know that's the centerpiece of our aspiration or our dreams to be able to serve our constituents, no? One na itong isang period of fisheries and agriculture. As you all know, only this year, only last April, that we concentrated tourism development in Dinagat because we ensured first that our fisheries and agriculture will be taken care of. Kaya una-una ng turismo sa unahan, yan, ready na itong food, o na itong fish production, o na itong other crops production, then we will have a problem with the shortage of food o na ipo-tarinado. That's why we need this, no? Si Papes, we need this to collaborate our fisheries and agriculture towards that direction. No, kaya sige natin na nagkapukulay niya, puro ayaw-ayaw. So we need karoon with the collaboration of the national line agencies, local government units, at least klaro ang atong direksyon. So mga importante, yung kung asa kapatulong is very important. Kaya maglalagaw tayo pasipasa pa, wala tayo mumpas, hindi na ito maabot ang atong panungan, maulagi ako na sa sunod na generasyon. So I'm so thankful to the National Line Agencies, the representative, and the Municipal Agriculturist for doing your share. Of course, the Provincial Agriculturist na po, na upaw, kung sa Montserrat, sa Patayka, no? Sa nagkakaratrabaho, no? Inaman, kani sila kanan, sila Gilbert, muna naging sila, no? For the best, sa atong mga amigo. Sa mga buhay na ito, magpapagkuban, mga achieve pala, the farmers can feel now their importance in abot na po sila. Dahil ang dahil na ang pagdiri, walang gano'n, we are able to give around 2,000 land titles to the farmers in Dinagat without them spending a single cent. No, mga nagsascreen program sa dahil, Luswil kapitulo, nagkamanata sa mga mga no, sila idasto, maski piso, only in Dinagat.